So today we're going to do our last little segment on our opinion writing checklist. So today we're going to be looking at just the punctuation section, okay? Just the punctuation section. And you're going to do the same thing that you've done for all the other sections. You're going to look at the very first one, and it says, I used quotation marks to show what character said. If you use quotation marks in your opinion writing to help prove your point, then you would mark a yes on that category. And then remember what we do. You're going to go back in your writing, and with a little sticky, you're going to mark and write on there quotation marks so that you prove, yes, I did that. Now, if your answer is yes, remember that you slide on over to the grade 3 side, and then it says, I punctuated dialogue correctly with commas and quotation marks. If you did that in your writing, then you would mark the yes category, and then you would go back in your writing and show where you did that as well. Now, if you did not do either one of those things, of course, you would mark not yet. Or if you did a little bit of it, but maybe didn't do it for every single proof, then maybe you are just starting to. You just have to determine that according to what you wrote. Then you go down to the next one. When I used words such as can't and don't, I put in an apostrophe. If you used an apostrophe correctly for your contractions, then you would mark yes, and you would show that in your writing with a sticky. If you did that, you slide on over to the grade 3 category, and it says, while writing, I put punctuation at the end of every sentence. If you were so good about that, then you would mark yes. Now, if you just missed one of them, friends, you could still go ahead and mark yes. You have to look at this as an overall view. So if you did a really nice job with that, you could go ahead and mark yes. But you want to go back and look at every single one of your sentences and make sure that you did that. Then if you marked yes, you will take a sticky and show where you did it in your writing. Okay, and then if once you've done those two categories, if you look down in the third grade section, there's one more that we need to look at. And it says, I wrote in ways that helped readers read with expression, reading some parts quickly, some slowly, some parts in one sort of voice and others in another. If your writing tells your reader how to read that piece of writing, then you could mark yes. And again, go back and give the proof of that. So today, I want you to look at your writing and really look at each one of these segments and try to either prove it or decide if you did it. Okay? Good luck. And tomorrow we are going to now take all of this information that we have gone through on our opinion writing checklist, and we are going to make ourselves some goals. It's going to be a lot of fun. Have a great rest of the day.